So, what tastes better, Mama? This one or the one we made before?
It looks like a
Looks like a legit jjajangmen.
it looks like a jjajangmen.
Alright, welcome to Big Belly Food Review. Take a good look at these instant noodles. This is the best version of Jjapagetti that I've tried. Using these champong noodles, the special kind of noodles that have a hole in the middle, and it has got an oil packet. And this paldo jjajangmen has more of the jjajangmen style taste to it, texture, including the texture. So this one is more legit Jjapagetti than the original Jjapagetti, even though these are both different brands. I recommend you try it out if you're interested in the Jjapagetti. Try this one out, especially the champong, and especially this jjajangmen. It's a more I think it's a better version. If you like the dry noodle kind, then you can stick with the Jjapagetti. That one's a bit more drier. This one's more saucier, the noodles, and the noodles are more wetter. And because of this oil packet, there's this extra smoked pepper taste to it that you find in the champong. So this really helps with the extra champong spicy flavorness to it. So this is a really good combination, good combo. All right, from the jjajangmen. But I used the vegetable pack from the champong because the jjajangmen had its own sauce pack, and I thought everything was in there. I guess it was. What tastes better, Mama? This one or the one we made before?
I can't remember the one before.
Okay. This one has the champong chili.
Yeah, tastes pretty good.
Taste to it though.
It looks like
it looks like a legit jjajangmen.
It looks like a jjajangmen, but it tastes something else.
Does it taste
pretty
like
good.
Champong?
Somewhat. I can taste the jjampong. I can see your point.
I like the little dairy.
Just gonna 탕수육.
This is the high end of the
Look, love, look.
This is too big, guys.
Not too big.
And the sauce it up.
You're supposed to spray the truck down all the way to get all the
Mmm.
and then we did it because we went rush. We did a deer and the deer became a lot. This is sponsored by Bird.
Sponsored by
Oh, product placement where they put
Mm. These noodles are less dry. It's actually more tastier than the Jjapagetti one. It's more saucy. And it's pretty flavorful. Kind of chow though.
What's the
But I
difference?
use all the powder. Yeah, Jjapagetti is kind of dry. So instead of that, use this one. Use the paldo jjajangmen. This one tastes a lot better, I think. Yum yum.